Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Nokia Go Earbuds 2 Plus with any Windows PC or laptop. For the pairing, just remember to input both earbuds inside the case and charge them for like 20 minutes by using this USB-C port, and also disconnect them from previously connected devices. Next, you have to open the case, and after a few moments this indicator will light up. You can also press this button once, and then you have to remove left and the right earbud from the case, and in most cases they will start blinking, so it means that right now we are in the pairing mode. So all you have to do is to open the settings. So yeah, go to the settings on our Windows PC. Go for the left side for the Bluetooth and devices. Right now turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher and select Add Device. Select Bluetooth. And right now we just have to wait for our Nokia earbuds. Select them from the list. And at the end you can go for the system sound settings and just check if they are selected for the output and the input device. As you can see, there we are. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.